Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Stumble Guys, go straight to Loadout and select Emotes. Once there, look for Lightning. If you own it, equip Lightning to any free emote slot now. If not, buy it with in-game cash or unlock via the event store because you need it equipped before matchmaking. Make sure your inventory syncs. Check for any pending updates. After the slot shows Lightning, back out and queue for a match so you can use the emote in-game once the round begins. Once in the lobby or a round, practice activating Lightning with the button or hotkey mapped to that emote. You need timing. Use Lightning during calm moments, after a big obstacle, or to intimidate nearby players, because spamming during tricky platforming risks mistakes. You can chain Lightning with a jump or dive to maximize mobility while showing the effect. Make sure latency is low. If input delay occurs, wait for a quieter stretch. You'll learn when it's most effective through To finish, confirm Lightning still occupies the emote slot after the match ends. If it vanished, re-equip it immediately in loadout. If the animation fails or shows a placeholder, restart the game to force an inventory sync, because most glitches clear that way. Make sure your client is up to date. Updates often fix emote bugs. If issues persist, report the problem with a screenshot and match ID so support can reproduce it. This helps get a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.